Hey guys, welcome back to day 4, our last official day of math. We'll be doing some fun stuff next week, but this is our last real note video day. Yay! And I'm just going to go over our problems from yesterday. So hopefully you got these done, and I'm going to show you the answers. Okay, so starting with number 1. And I have my handy dandy calculator ready to go because while I love doing mental math, sometimes I need to have my calculator ready. So I know length times width times height. So the length is 5 and the width is 4 and the height is 9. So that's going to turn into 20 times 9. Well, that's an easy one. 2 times 9 is 18. And I'm going to add that 0 back on. And my unit of measure is feet cubed. Okay, so if you got that right, give yourself a good old pat on the back. Okay, number 2, I'm going to have my base, which is 4, and my width, which is 4, and my height, which is 4. And I'm going to do 4 times 4, which is 16 times 4. And if you don't know what 16 times 4 is off the top of your head like me, I'm going to use my calculator, and that is going to give me 64 yards cubed. Okay? All right, I'm going to go on down to number 3. So my base is 9, my width is 3, and my height is 12. So 9 times 3, equals 18. 18 times 12, well, that's another one I can't just do in my head. I could probably figure it out if I wanted to, but I'm not going to. So that's going to give me 216, and my unit of measure is inches. So I'm going to say inches cubed. Okay, last problem is my width is 11, or sorry, length is 11, I should say. My width down here, and it's over here, is 2. So I'm going to multiply by 2, and then I'm going to multiply that by my height, which is 5. So 11 times 2 is 22 times 5. Well, 20 times 5 is 100, and then 2 times 5 is 10. So I'm guessing it's going to be 110. Let me double check. Never hurts to double check. I am correct. And my unit of measure is meters. And I'm going to say cubed. Okay. Awesome. All right. So that's it for math for your 6th grade year. I get tingles just saying that. It's kind of freaking me out a little bit. If you have not already kind of scheduled it in for your family, make sure that you are coming to our promotion ceremony on Tuesday of next week. That is going to take place at 5 o'clock in the evening. If you're not coming to morning meeting, please know that on Wednesday of next week, we are going to have a very special morning meeting at 8:30. All of the teachers are trying to hold their own, so we're going to stick to our usual time. And that's going to be our last morning meeting of the entire school year, because Wednesday is technically our last day of school. I would love to see you all there, and with your cameras on for my regular morning meeting people. This will be our last time together. This might be some of the last times you actually see me, even though it's not in person. So I really just want everybody to be there. Obviously this is after our promotion ceremony, but it's going to be the last day. So we will have a placemat next week, but it's going to be fun activities. Don't you worry. It's not going to be anything hard. All right. So that's it. Enjoy your last weekend of elementary school. Take it easy, stay safe, all that good stuff. If you have any missing work, it's due today. So please know that, yeah, that's great if you get it done today. All right. I hope you guys have a great night and happy Thursday. See ya later.